As Russia uses massive amounts of anti-tank mines, the allocation of these has become far from optimal, sending large amounts to troops that doesn't know what to do with them, but place them in piles waiting for further instruction. This has happened time over time as the Ukrainian drone army has taken advantage of this, sending a small drone to cause a chain reaction, leading to a massive explosion and crater after the mine pile. As many of the mines stored outside isn't even hidden, Ukraine can often choose to either drop a grenade or fly in with a warhead as a kamikaze drone, resulting in a lot less anti-tank mines that can be placed in the area, leading to an easier push through Russia's defensive lines. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.